Facebook introduced Rights Manager for Images last September as a way to help creators and publishers manage and protect their images at scale, and Thursday, the social network added insights to the mix. Creators and publishers will have access to detailed insights for their individual images that will give them a better picture of fan-driven engagement with matching content across platforms and countries. Insights for Rights Manager for Images will roll out over the next few weeks. Available information will include protection insights, protection activities on matched content, including total blocks and monitors across Facebook and Instagram by territory. Performance insights, how matched content is performing across Facebook and Instagram, including comments, impressions, likes and shares. Audience insights, a look at who fans of the content are, where they live, what languages they speak and what interests they have. Facebook introduced Rights Manager in 2016 as a way to give creators and publishers of videos better control over how, when and where their content was shared across Facebook and Instagram, and Rights Manager has been updated over the years to cover audio and images.